Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to discuss with you how to find out longest common subsequence from the given strings, because sometimes they ask you in NET exam, they'll give you two strings and they'll ask you find out the common longest subsequence. Okay, see, as the name suggests, it should be the longest, सबसे बड़ी होनी चाहिए. कॉमन मीन्स ऑब्वियसली टू स्ट्रिंग्स वुड बी गिवन और उनमें से आपको कॉमन निकालनी है. एंड व्हाट इज सबसीक्वेंस? Subsequence is basically what you can say, it's a sequence of strings or sequence of characters from a string. Okay, and this sequence of characters would be in increasing order with respect to their position. See, let us take one example, simple example. Suppose we are given one string W and it is having A, B, C and D. These are number of characters in this string. This one is one string. Now we are supposed to find out subsequence of this string. Okay, subsequence you can write number of characters of these strings in increasing order of their value with respect to their position. Okay, in their increasing value, like AB, this one is subsequence of this string. We can write BD, this one is also subsequence of this string. Subsequence number of characters, obviously BD number of characters हैं in increasing order with respect to their position. Increasing order means, see, B comes before D or you can say D comes after D. Can we write CA? No, we cannot write. This is not the proper subsequence. CA, see, C comes after A, so it should be AC. This one is not right, because this character should be in increasing order with respect to their position. Okay, जो पहले character आएगा वो पहले ही लिखा जाएगा in the subsequence. You can also write AD. This one is also right, A or D. But we cannot write D, B, D and B. We can write BD. This one is not true. D and B, D and B. Okay. D B के बाद आएगा तो सीक्वेंस में भी B के बाद ही आना चाहिए D. Okay. Also you can write A, C and D. This is also right, A, C and D. B, C, D. This one is also right. A, B, C, D. Obviously this is also right. Okay. So how many number of subsequence can be possible? That is 2 raised to power n. N is here 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 raised to power 4. That is 16. Number of subsequence are possible from this string. Now suppose one is given, this one is W1 and this one is W2. I am just taking simple example, and W2 में हमारे पास है simply B, C and D. Okay, and you are supposed to find out the common subsequence, longest common subsequence from W1 and W2. Okay, now this is the simple example. So simply by looking at this case you can see BCD would be the longest and common subsequence. Common, that should be common between W1 and W2. इसकी subsequences क्या क्या हो सकती हैं? आपका B भी हो सकता है. So you can write down simple one character also. BC हो सकता है, CD भी possible है, BD भी possible है and CD also possible, BCD is also there. Right? So common इन दोनों में से, इन सारी subsequences और इनमें से common क्या होगा? That would be the longest, that is B, C and D. So sometimes they ask you they will give you some complex two strings and they ask you what is the longest common subsequence of these strings. So that at that time it is not possible that you find out all the subsequences of all the strings and then compare what is the longest subsequence. Okay, because sometimes they can give you many characters, or you can say seven characters, 2 raised to power 7. Many subsequences are possible. Here also maybe 7 or 8 characters, then 2 raised to power 8 number of subsequences are possible. So it would not be possible for you to calculate all the subsequences of two strings and then compare. So I'll give you one simple trick. Okay, let us take one example. Let us take this example. You are given two strings X and Y. X is A, B, A, B, A and Y is B, A, B, B, A, A. And you are supposed to find out the longest common subsequence from these two strings. So the previous method is find out all the subsequences of these and find out the common one, but that is not possible because 2 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 characters are there. 2 raised to power 6, 2 raised to power 6 number of you can say the subsequences would be there, and that would be very time consuming. Though another method is just to draw a table like this. Okay, to the one side we will write x and another side we will write y. In this example I have written x, this string at this side, and y string this side. You can also write x this side and y this side. First row and first column would be 0 and 0. That is I denoted with this mark, that is nothing is there, negation, or you can say something like that. Okay, this one would be 0 and 0, or you can say phi and phi. Okay, here I have written x. X is what? A, B, A, B, A, and at this side I have written B, A, B, B, A, that is y. Every character would form one row, and this side every character would form one column, and you are supposed to fill out these entries now. Okay, we can take this one as I, and at this side we are moving toward this side. This one is variable j and this one is I. Okay, now how to fill out these entries? Check, see. Now you have to fill out this entry. This side, check out at this side. What is the character corresponding to this row? A, and here what is the character from this string? That is B. A and B. These characters are different, not same. A and B are different. Fine. If these characters are different, then how you will fill out this entry? If these are different, then here you will write maximum of either this one or this one. I'll just tell you the formula also after after discussing this one, how to draw the formula. अभी आपको simple इस table में देखना है maximum of this one or this one. Here also we have 0, here also we have 0. What is the maximum? 0 only. Okay, and whether you have taken this one or this one, you have to draw an arrow. Now here we have 0 and 0, so you can draw an arrow this side and this side, any side. I am just drawing an arrow this side because I am taking this 0, I am taking this value. Okay, simply. Next, fill out this entry. Corresponding to this one we have A, and corresponding to this we have Y is what? A. Here also A, here also A. Both are same characters. If same characters are there, then how to fill out this entry? In that case, you will fill out this one 1 plus this value, this diagonal value, upper diagonal value. Here we have 0, then 1 plus 0 is what? 1 only. And how you have drawn this 1? From this 0. From this 0, we have taken this 0 and then we have added 1. Then you will draw an arrow from this 1 to this 0, like that. Okay. Next one is this one, A and B. These are also not same. Agar same nahi hai, in that case what will you do? Maximum of this one or this one. Which value is maximum out of this? आपको ये fill करना है तो this one and this one. एक back and एक ऊपर. Out of 1 and 0, which one is maximum? That is 1. Then you will write here what? 1. And arrow would be towards this 1 because we have taken this value. Fill out this one, A and B. These are also not same. अगर same नहीं है, in that case what you will write down here? Maximum of this one or this one. Maximum is what? 1. And we have taken this 1 from here only, this one. Next is this A and A. Now this A and this A both are same. In that case, how you will fill out this value? 1 plus जो अपर डायगोनल में आपको देखना है, ऊपर वाले डायगोनल में वैल्यू क्या है? 0. देन 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Fine. And we have taken this 1 from this upper side. Okay. Now this one, A and B. These are also not same. अगर same नहीं है तो कौन सी वैल्यू लोगे? Maximum of either this one or दिस वन, आपको यहाँ फिल करना है तो इसके ऊपर या फिर यहाँ वाली, इसके मैक्सिमम आपको वैल्यू लेनी है. मैक्सिमम आउट ऑफ 1 and 0, which one is maximum? 1. You will write 1 at this place and arrow would be this side because we have taken this value 1, this box. अगर आपको ये 0 लेनी होती तो arrow would be here only. Okay, so like this we will fill out this table. Next is this one. You have to fill out this box. Corresponding to this one, what is value of x? B. And what is character of y? That is b. B and b are same. अगर same है, in that case what you will write? 1 plus diagonally आप देखोगे ऊपर इस बॉक्स में क्या वैल्यू है? 0 है. Then 1 plus 0 is what? 1. And the arrow would be, आपने कौन सी वैल्यू ली है? ऊपर वाली. Then arrow would be like this towards 0. अपर वाली 0, यहाँ वाली नहीं. Next is this one. Corresponding to this, what is B and upper is A. Both are different. अगर different हैं, in that case what will you take here? Maximum of either this one or this one. अपर वाला बॉक्स या इस वाला बॉक्स, उसके मैक्सिमम आपको वैल्यू लेनी है. 1 and 1, वो विच वन इज मैक्सिमम? ऑब्वियसली 1 इज मैक्सिमम, दोनों सेम हैं. ओके, now you can draw arrow either this side or this side. I am drawing this arrow this side because this is also 1, this is also 1. So maximum of these two is 1. So you can take this one or this one. Fine. Now this place you have to fill out. Corresponding to this one, the row character is what? B, and here is we have B. Both are same. If both characters are x and y are same, then what you will write here? 1 plus, what is the value in upper diagonally आपको देखना है, in upper diagonal, that is 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Then you will write here 2, and the arrow would be like this, upward side, because we have taken this one. Okay, this one. Now you have to fill out this one. B and B both are same. अगर same है, in that case what you will do? 1 plus diagonal आप देखोगे upper side, what is value of this box? That is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is what? Again 2, and we have taken this one, so arrow would be like this, upper side. Okay, now what should be here? B and A. A and B are different है, तो you will take what? Maximum of out of this one or this one. What is maximum of 2 and 1? 2 is maximum. Then we will write here 2, and we have taken this 2, then arrow would be like this towards this 2. Whichever value you have taken, the arrow would be towards that value. Here B and B both are same. In case same है, then 1 plus this diagonal value is what? 1. इसमें आपको 1 ऐड करना है. 1 plus 1 is what? 2, and the arrow would be like this. Diagonally value आपने ली है. Here how you will fill out this place? A, and corresponding to this place, what is value of that character in Y string? That is B. A and B both are different है. In that case you will take maximum of either this, maximum of this or this. 1 and 0, maximum is what? 1, and we have taken this one, so arrow would be upper side. This one you have taken. Okay, okay. Now A and A both are same. In case both are same, then 1 plus this value, diagonally upper wali value. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. We will write 2 at this place, and the arrow would be like this. We have taken this one. Okay, A and B both are different. In case both are different, then maximum of this one or this one. What is maximum? 2 and 2. 2 is maximum, both are same, then we will write here 2. You can write down the arrow like this one or this one, because we have taken either this value or this value, both are same. I am taking this value, suppose. Now arrow would be like this one, this side. Okay, like this you will fill out all the locations. Okay, now after filling out all the places, this is a table using that formula only. Okay, now check out the last box, the intersection of last row and column, what is there? 4. Then this length of the common subsequence would be 4. You can find out by using this value, last intersection value of this last row and column. What is the value? 4. Then the length of that common subsequence would be 4 only. We have already found out this length, that is 4, but now you have to find out what is that sequence. The number of character would be 4, that is you can find out by using this value only, but you have to find out now the characters. What are those characters? 4 characters, 4 common characters, okay, in that subsequence. Now how to find out that place? Now you have to trace out. We are at this place only, we are starting from this place only, okay. Now check out the arrows. At this place, where the arrow goes, this side, see this side, okay. Now we are at this 4 only, okay. Now check where the arrow goes to the diagonally upper side, fine. In case arrow goes diagonally to the upper side, then we will check what is the value, what is the character according to this, corresponding to this row A, and what is the character corresponding to this column, that is A. Then you will write A. If the arrow goes diagonally upper side, when the arrow goes left or right, left, either this in this row or either upward, then you will not take the, you will not write the character. If the arrow goes diagonally upward, then we will check out the character from the string x and y, okay. Now from here we are going upward. Now we have reached to this 3. Now check out this arrow. This arrow is also going diagonally upward, Now check out the character corresponding to this row is B and column is B. Then we will write B, and we will write these characters from right to left, ये आपको याद रखना है. Now we are going upward, we are now at this place. Now here where the arrow goes to the here left side, fine. Then in case arrow is going toward this side or toward the upward side, then we will not write down any character. Now this side hai, then we will go here only. Now we are at this place. Now the arrow goes upward, see upward, fine. If arrow goes upward, so corresponding to that box, you have to check out the character in the row also and the column also, that is A and A. We will write here now A, and then we will jump upward, then we are at this place only 1, and here check out where the arrow goes straight upward. We will not write down any character because this is not diagonally upward. We will go here only. Now the arrow goes diagonally upward, see corresponding to this diagonal. Now check out the character B corresponding to this box. What is value of this in X string B? What is character in Y string? That is also B. We will write here B. Now we will go here. Then this one is what? We have reached to, or you can say here we have 0, no arrow is there because we have reached to that initial row and column. Then this one is our longest common subsequence. See, the length of this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hai length, and the longest common subsequence is BA, BA. It is not like that this one is the only longest common subsequence. See, another one, what could be the another one? If suppose example लेते हैं, if you have written this arrow not like this, you have written this arrow like this, upward direction, because they see when you fill out this location, then you will check out the character corresponding to this row, that is A, corresponding to this column, that is B. Both are different. In case both characters are different, then you will take what value? Maximum of this one or this one, either this one or this one. Maximum is what? Both are same, then we will write here 4. And which value you have taken? Either this one or this one. First case we have considered, we have taken this value, but now we are considering that we have taken this value, upward value. Fine. Then to find out the longest common subsequence, we would start our tracing algorithm from this place only, and we will go upward, here only. Now at this place, check out the arrow position. Arrow कहाँ जा रहा है अपना? Diagonally upward. Diagonally upward जैसे ही arrow जाएगा, we will check out what is the character corresponding to this row, B and B. Then we will write here B. Fine. Then we will jump diagonally upward. Now we are here only. Check out the arrow. This arrow is also going diagonally upward. Then we will check out the character A and A. Here you will write A. We have reached to at this place only. Now here arrow goes at this side. We have moved to this side. Now arrow goes this side. We have moved to this side. Now arrow goes diagonally upward. If diagonally upward agar arrow जाएगा, in that case you have to write down something in that output. Check out the character A and A. We will write here A, and then we will jump in the direction of this arrow diagonally upward. We are at 1 here only. Now here also arrow goes diagonally upward. Now check out the character B, and corresponding to this, what is string in X? B, and Y may be here B, then you will write here B. Okay, and we, now we have reached to this place, and there is no error because we have reached to the first row and column. So this is also another longest common subsequence, B A A B. Like this you can find out many common subsequences according to these arrow positions. Okay, but length would be whatever the value in the last box corresponding to this last row and column, that would be the length. Okay, now this is how you can find out the longest common subsequence. Now the formula is what? How you fill out these these values. What is the formula? How you will fill out? I will write down the formula. This is the formula. Using that formula you can fill out this table. Okay, see here what is there? If x of I is equal to y of j, here in this side we have I, and this side we have j variable x and y. X of I and x of y of j, if both are same, let us take this example, A and A, both are same, then what we have done, agar in case दोनों characters same hai, then we have done what? 1 plus this value, diagonally upward value. Then we have taken what? See, this one is cost of ij, or you can say whatever we have written this here 1, you can say this one is weight or cost. Then cost of I and j would be 1 plus diagonally upward 1 plus c of I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay, let us take this one is from 0 we are starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at this box, what is value of I? I value is 1, and what is value of j? J value is what? J value is what? 2. Fine. Now this is A, this is A, both are x of I and y of j are same. Then 1 cost of this ij, cost of 1, 2, 1 and 2 would be what? 1 plus I minus 1. 1 plus cost of I minus 1. I is what? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Cost of 0 and j minus 1. J is what? 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Cost of 0 and 1. 0 and 1. That is this one. And we have discussed this one also. 1 plus, see, I भी आपका एक माइनस हो जाएगा और j भी आपका माइनस होगा. I माइनस होगा then we will move to upward and j माइनस होगा then backward. So 1 plus this one. In case दोनों सेम नहीं है, otherwise what is the cost of c and j? Let us take this case. this one, A and B both are different, then what we have taken? Maximum of this one or this one. See, maximum of this one, this is what? अगर backward आओगे then I value is same, I की value आपकी 1 ही रहेगी, बस J की value क्या हो जाएगी? -1 हो जाएगी. तो maximum of C of I J -1, और you can say this one, यहाँ पे J की value आपकी 3 ही रहेगी, बट I की value क्या हो जाएगी आपकी 1 से -1 से क्या होगी? 0, that is 1 minus, or you can say C of I -1 and J. See, this is the formula. You can draw this formula by looking at this table only. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.